Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a complete kitchen purge, organization, and clean with me. I'm going to go through every single drawer, cabinet, bin, whatever's in this kitchen. I'm going to go through every single one of it. I am sorry it looks so dark. I have dark appliances. I have dark cherry cabinets. I just have dark everything. So sorry it's so dark. I'm definitely gonna move around so you guys can see what's going on, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Before we go ahead and get started, I'm going to show you guys a couple of things I got. I actually went to Home Goods, Target, and then I ordered a couple of things off of Amazon. So I ordered this. It's going to be for our meal prep for the week. I got a couple bins, a little microwave cover, a couple little fake plants. I got a new bin for our silverware, some OXO or OXO containers from Home Goods that were really great. This little Lazy Susan, which is great. I ordered this off Amazon. This is going to be for all my new spices. And then a couple little bins here, some command hooks, and then a few more organization bins, and then a little egg bin. So this is all that I ordered and got, and I'm really happy about it, and I'm really excited to see how it all plans out and works for us. So yeah, I'm going to show you the before right now. So now that you saw the beginning of everything, you saw the before pictures or the before video of everything, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna try to go counterclockwise, but if that doesn't work because there's like workout stuff in like 3 different places, I'm just gonna have to jump around. So we're gonna go ahead and get started right now, and I'm really excited. So let's do it. technical difficulty, my camera died in the middle of me doing my pantry, so I did have to wait a little bit to let it charge, excuse me. And so after that, I didn't want to stop working just because I do have somewhere to go tonight, so I kept working. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little little update of what I've been doing and then keep going along with the clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys around and then so you guys can see what's been going on. Alright you guys, so this is the final product of this little pantry area. So I used obviously those bins for all of like my dry ingredients and little snacks. I'm going to go ahead and label all of them at the very end because I also do have to label all of the spice containers. So up there I just have all of my canned foods. Up there is like seasonings and like taco sauces and all of the things to cook with, such as like breadcrumbs and all of that. In here, that's probably going to be emptied out really soon just because that's like a lot of tea and a lot of like Keurig stuff. We do have one Keurig, but the other one we have doesn't need like filters like that, so I'll probably end up getting rid of some of that stuff a little bit later. We have our peanut butter and then extra napkins back there. In the back there is cereal, rice, and then some more cereal, some oats, some brown rice, and then some granola, and then oats, and then those are all like snacks. And obviously napkins, I didn't want those out just because I think it looks a little bit messier. I'm one of those people that don't really like to have anything on my counter. So that is the end of the pantry. I did go ahead and do my utensil drawer as well, you guys. This turned out so pretty and so well. I actually had a little cup for my straws that I was going to put them into, but I ended up having enough room. Little like bag clips. These are our bottle openers, and then obviously my utensils. This is our little Asian side. We have our chopsticks, and then honestly all of these are rice like spoons. These are our pho spoons, and then our little rice container for our Instant Pot. And I think this looks so pretty. So next what I did is I came down here. This was full. I went ahead and moved all of the Tupperware that was in here. I went and matched Tupperware with lids, and then I got rid of some Tupperware. This is going to be designated just for appliances, and then I have my little coffee things down here. I also have a French press that will go down here, and then I think that's pretty much it. So that looks a lot cleaner than before. Down here I'm really happy with. This was before, where I had my waffle maker, the scale, my toaster, and then I had a bunch of random stuff and it looked really gross and ugly. So I put my bin full of lids on my Tupperware lids back there, and then it just looks a lot cleaner and nicer and just more functional for us, and everything's in one place. think I'm going to keep. I don't really see a problem with it. It's really clean. There's really not much going on. So my camera died again. I'm gonna have to look into new batteries or whatever because it has fully charged twice and it's died twice. I know I've been filming for like 7 hours, but still. So I'm gonna give you guys a little update of what I've been doing since I've been gone. I did my spice cabinet. That one thing that I was like really excited about doing, I did that. I will show you. All right, so I did my spice containers. I am so excited with how they look. I transferred all of the seasonings into clear containers and then labeled them myself. I think it looks so much better and so much just cleaner. I did it on the top too, and then I put extras on the top, labeled them extras, and then any other like bigger type of seasonings I put up there as well. But you guys, I think it looks so pretty. It turned out really nice and clean. I am loving it. All right, now I'm just going to power clean, get as much stuff done as I can. I just took my watch off and I'm looking down. All right, it is currently 5. I need to be out of the house by like 7:30, so it's not gonna take me 2.5 hours to clean the kitchen after I've already organized everything. But I'm just going to hurry up and clean and finish the job. Okay, so I'm officially done cleaning everything. I'm going to show you guys how everything looks. I hope you guys like it. I worked really hard. Okay, this is one thing. I picked out this little tray from Target for $5, this little candle for $3, and then this was like an arrangement from Home Goods, which is like $15. But anyways, I really like how this looks. I don't know if I should leave it there or if I should put it in the middle of the Long Island. Leave a comment down below what you guys think or where you guys think I should put it. And yeah, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really excited about this whole declutter, organization, purge. It was amazing. It feels so good. Go ahead and if you guys want, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll be back with another video. Mwah.